Good morning, Patreon. Today on the homestead, my wife is going to take...
No, hang on. First, you got to back up.
Hold on.
Okay.
I know how to do... I've done this before.
Have you?
I got a little bit of
No,
practice
you
at this.
haven't.
Just a
You're a total
poquito. This pine tree right back here, this little itty bitty pine tree, my wife is going to cut down. With what? With what, you would ask? How is she going to do that? Her own chainsaw. Where did this chainsaw come from?
You. At the store.
Why did you get this chainsaw?
Because it's my birthday.
And are you excited that you got a chainsaw for your birthday?
Yes.
Okay. That's how you know you have a good woman. Oh, and hey, look, goats.
Yes. Don't eat the chainsaw.
Goats don't eat chainsaws. They probably could if they wanted to. So you know how much about chainsaws?
This much.
So we're gonna have a brief block of instruction on chainsaws, and we figured we would bring y'all along for the ride. As somebody who has run a chainsaw for over 20 years professionally, and somebody who's never run one ever, I figured this would be a good conversation. So I'm gonna go get the tripod, and then we're gonna talk through this, and then Harmony is gonna lay over this little, it's probably 20-foot tall pine tree, 6 inches in diameter. It needs to go anyway. So there'll be felling and limbing and bucking and Woo! Sawdust and all the things. As always, we got eyes, eye pro, and ear pro for the operator. And so yeah, don't die.
Good job.
This is a little steel MS 171. It has a 16-inch bar. Quiet, you! Running .325 pitch chain. It is not safety chain, which is great. Which most of y'all will be thinking, why not? Don't we want the safety chain? No, not if you're an experienced saw hand. We do not want the safety chain. So,
because I'm so experienced.
Well, you're learning from one who is. This weighs as much as a gallon of milk. This is your chain brake, okay? So when this is locked, the chain won't move, okay? This is
locked is which way?
Forward.
Okay.
This is a safety feature, so if the saw is running and cutting and it kicks back, it locks so that you don't cut your face off.
Good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Fuel goes in here.
Okay. What kind of fuel?
2-cycle oil mixed fuel, 50 to 1.
Okay.
Mixed fuel only.
Okay.
Not straight fuel. Okay. We have mixed fuel. Whenever this needs fuel, come see me.
Okay. Got it.
This is bar oil.
Bar oil.
Bar oil.
It's kind of windy, so you might.
Fuel at the back. Bar oil at the front.
Where the bar is.
Bar oil where the bar is. Imagine that.
Wow.
Your chain's a little loose. We'll address that. Chainsaws don't have blades.
Right.
Okay?
They have chains.
They have bars and chains, no blades. There's cutter teeth on the chain, which is on the bar. There's not a blade on this thing. Now, see this? See how that's loosey-goosey like that?
Should not be.
Should not be loosey-goosey. So, we have one of these. This is called a bar tool or a scrunch.
Hang on, wait, let me see.
This
Let
is
the people see. Okay.
bar nut.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, watch my hands, man.
You don't need those hands.
Okay.
So, we're gonna tension this up.
Okay. Now what does this do and what does that do?
So this is your tensioner.
Uh-huh.
Clockwise makes it tighter, counterclockwise loosens it, and that controls the tension on your chain.
Okay.
And so you want to get it close, but not all the way, and then tighten the nut down, because as you tighten the nut down, that provides a little bit more tension. And see
Yeah, I see.
See the difference there?
Uh-huh.
Not loosey-goosey?
Yeah.
That's what you want. And this is a brand new chain, so when you start cutting with it, it is going to expand because it's going to get hot.
Right.
So a brand new chain will have to do
we'll
that
need to
3 or
check
4
it.
times. Check it. Yep.
Okay.
Now on the bottom of the saw down here, that's called a chain catch.
Right.
So if it does throw the chain, it'll stop here and it won't whip around and bust your leg open.
Good.
Okay?
Yep. Hoping not to lose a leg.
Okay. So now back here,
Yep.
trigger. See that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So to start this mammer jammer, you're gonna pull the trigger and push the choke all the way down.
Okay.
See that how it's down?
Yep.
We're gonna pull this a couple times until it burbles. It tries to run.
Okay. Can I pull it?
I'm gonna show you how to do it and then you're gonna do it.
Okay.
Okay? You ready?
Yep.
See that?
Oh, it purrs.
It's little. See
it
that?
purrs.
So then we're gonna go to half choke.
Okay.
1 up. You just touch it and it'll bounce to 1 up.
Okay.
And then another couple pulls. It's so cute. So it's got to warm up. So to start it,
Okay.
here you go. You do it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Okay.
So,
So I don't have to. Do I have to hold this? Okay. So I just pull.
It's is that all the way down?
Yeah.
Yep.
No,
Okay.
just- yeah.
Pull it.
Oh.
Try again. You want to kind of throw the saw with one hand.
Okay.
Whoa! It's so cute. All right, ears. Put your ears on.
Where's the baby? Yeah, but I wanted to.
All right. How'd it feel felling your first tree?
Awesome.
You feel powerful?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous, but
A
yeah.
little nervous?
Yeah.
You did good?
Awesome. Yay!
Okay.
Okay.
So that was felling. Now we have limbing and bucking.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Awesome sauce.
You dig it?
I dig it. Totally can handle this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the whole point of that one.
Yeah. That's awesome.
You happy?
Uh-huh. Yep. I clean up my mess.
What? I am not the groundy. I am not the groundy. That is not how this works. I outrank everybody here when it comes to chainsaws.
But yeah, I'm stoked.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did it feel powerful?
Yeah. Let's take out all these little baby ones.
There's another one right there.
I know.
You want to lay that one
There's
down?
a bunch of them.
It's got a lean on it. Really, do you want to notch it and drop it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I've created a monster. That one right there.
Yeah, I mean, well, and that's the thing, like, we have a ton of these little ones that
Yeah.
you can tell, I mean, if they were planted at the same time, it wasn't.
They didn't block me.
Right.
All right, it's gonna go right here, and we're recording.
Okay.
So
Take out the saplings.
take out the saplings first. That's a cherry if you want to save it. Okay. Take out the saplings. Okay. Then we're gonna notch it and lay it right here. Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Set the choke. Not all the way down, one push up. Okay, once it fires up, you're gonna squeeze the trigger, and that'll put it up, take it off a half choke further on. Right. Go ahead. Yeah. There you go. Good job. You're good. Squeeze the trigger. There you go. Make the grappling out. Go this way with it, which means our line is going what way. So start here, make your knot. You need to come back to about here. Flat, and then like that, okay? Remember, the best part of the saw to cut with is down here, okay? And so, alright, so, you're going to go right here, that way, okay? And hold on, your retreat, because this could get hung up on there, okay? So the direction of fall is this way. Your retreat lanes are always 45 degrees back in your direction of fall. So that's going to be here or here, okay? Because if it gets hung up, it's going to kick back this way. All right? So your retreat lane is here. You understand? If anything gets swirly, you're going to that big pine tree. Okay. So, yeah, you want this back cut to land in the middle of the knot. Okay? There, right there. Got it? I'm going to put a rope on it, just to help it. Stay right there. Watch out. Tell the people how you feel about being a big bad logger.
I love it.
They can't hear you.
Oh. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Do you know why I got a rope?
No.
Hear this wind?
Yeah.
The wind changed and started blowing directly into your direction of fall.
Oh,
So you were about to be directly opposed from the wind.
right. Which
And
isn't good.
for your second tree ever, no, unacceptable. So good job. Look, you just look at this. You just keep murdering these trees that Mother Gaia created for us to
Right.
live in harmony with the earth, and you're just destroying them.
Tree huggers, stay away. You're next.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
I love you.
Love you too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for being along for the ride, Patreon. Imagine that we have more tree work to do. Always.
Which is why, like, he shouldn't have to do it all.
Amen. Amen. Can I get an amen?
Right? And so that was like one of the main reasons why I wanted one, is because all the land, you know, manicuring, or, you know, if we have a tree fall, it shouldn't be just his responsibility. And I mean, granted, he's a lot more skilled than I am, so, you know, I'm going to default to him for knowledge, but he's also gone a lot. Like, he's busy.
That's a great
So, you know, like if we have a big storm come through and a top blows out of a tree or something, like, I want to be able to help take care of it. And same with like all our little saplings, grandma's firewood. There's a lot of tree stuff, and he shouldn't be the only one that has to do it. So,
You know what? You're not bad.
I know.
You ain't half bad for a woman.
Yeah. It's my birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Shalom, y'all.
Shalom.